Good morning, students. Today we shall take up and discuss the enemy number one of the world. This enemy is called COVID-19 or coronavirus. As you know, students, this disease, this virus has affected the entire world. Nobody is safe, nobody is free from the clutches of this coronavirus. It started in Feb and March and started taking nations after nations into its grip. Countries as big and as powerful as America, Russia, European country, England, nobody is free. It has taken a very heavy toll of life. People, millions and millions of people are dying, and they are still dying. It has really shattered our economy of all the nations in the world. So, this corona disease, how this disease has affected India in particular will be our concern. As you know, the first case was reported in India in March, and the government was quick enough to declare that there should be a complete lockdown of things. Everything came to a standstill. Prime Minister came on air and said that from now onward we are stopping everything. No buses will be running, no trains will be moving, no flights will be there, nobody will be allowed to come on the road. Everything came to a standstill and people were asked to remain at their homes. This was something uncalled for. This was something unexpected. People did not know what to do. So, some people tried, out of panic, they tried to purchase things from the market, and there was panic in the market in the beginning. So, in the starting, people remained at home, and people started praying to God, what type of disease this has affected us, God save us, God help us. They tried to do this. So, slowly and slowly, we became habitual to this, I should say, this corona. We started remaining at home. Now, all the doctors, all the medical fields, everybody became active. Teams were formed and special hospitals were arranged throughout the country. And people were asked to report if there was a matter of a corona case. People started coming. As I said, there was big panic in the starting. People started calling their friends, but wherever they talked, he or she also talked of coronavirus. It was no country, no nation was free from this. So this was the problem. Well, now what should we do? Then it came to the senses of the people that we should have some precautions. And these precautions were very neatly explained and discussed on air, on TV and cameras by our doctors. They said that among the precautions are that we should remain clean, we should wash our hands for 20 seconds at least, and we should wash our hands frequently. We should not touch anything which has been used by many people. We should also keep a distance among ourselves. At least 2 गज की दूरी है स्वास्थ्य के लिए जरूरी। ये स्लोगन हर किसी को सुनाई देने लगा बच्चों। तो इस तरह से this was brought to the mind of every person that keeping a social distance is a must. So all this was adopted, and in the beginning India was one of those countries where this coronavirus was at the lowest I should say. Death rate was also lowest. So we were quite happy that perhaps we Indians are lucky, perhaps we have started to do something. But that happiness was short-lived. Soon the cases of coronavirus started coming to light in big numbers. It was because now government started doing tests in big number. Earlier the number was small because tests were done in a very limited manner. Now India is among the top 3 nations who are corona affected. As on today, we have almost 65,000 people affected, 70 affected persons, and there are cities, there are states which are badly affected. For example, Maharashtra has been affected for the very beginning, and it is still continuing to lead. Likewise, Gujarat, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, these are the states which are still facing the effects of corona. Now people have started behaving sensibly. They have started using masks. They have started using other devices so that they remain safe from corona. This corona has very severely affected one particular section of our society, and that particular section has been, my dear students, the lowest paid, our laborers, our mazdoor, the poor people, because their jobs had gone, their jobs were no more, and now they started to move towards their hometown, whereas the government forced them to remain at home. But they were curious, they were very much worried to reach their home. They disobeyed the orders of the government. They faced the wrath of the police people, and still they moved on. In this way, while they were moving towards their homes, some of the poor people, they lost their lives also. It was really very, very tragic, very, very touching. Somehow they reached their home and they tried to work under Manrega or under some other scheme. So, still now, India, after having gone under 3 lockdowns, now we have started uplifting the lockdowns. Now there are no lockdowns. Now economy has moved a little. Some things have thrown open, and now parks are open. Schools are still not open because it is thought that school children, little children in particular, they will not be able to fight this corona if they may. They will not be able to exercise proper precautions, and they may fall risk. So, even after 4 or 5 months, people say, what should we do? When we ask parents, they ask, sir, we are not ready to face the danger. We cannot face the danger. We are ready to send our elder children up to the age of say of the classes of 10, 11, 12, we are ready to send them with certain conditions. But so far as younger children are concerned, we are not going to. So this is the effect of Corona, my dear students. It is affecting everything. Our economy has gone down a bit. Recently, it was disclosed, it was told that our economy, our GDP in the first quarter at present is minus 23.9. This is a shocking news. We cannot allow our economy to remain at such a low. It has to recover. So, Corona is affecting us as it is affecting the other world also. Now, what is the cure of Corona? No patent medicine has been discovered so far. No injection, no medicine so far. We are hearing about the claims of some countries of having made their some Corona medicine, but it is yet to be declared by the WHO, that is the World Health Organization. It is still not been there. So let us hope, let us remain watchful, let us save ourselves, let us remain clean, let us use mask and sanitize ourselves and our surroundings wherever we sit and wherever we work. So, India is quite hopeful that in coming 2-3 months, that is by the end of this year, we shall be in a position to have our own medicine, our own Corona cure. By that, we must keep our fingers crossed and we must pray to the Almighty to save our people and the people of the world. Thank you.